What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, my friends. Welcome back. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to cleanse your crystals and re-energize them using the full moon. Let's get started. How many of you have crystals and work with crystals? What is your favorite crystal? Comment that down below. I'm really curious which crystals you guys like working with. Right now, I've been wearing this crystal right here for the past couple of months. This is the Tiger's Eye crystal. It is a protective crystal. It protects me from negative energy. It's a crystal that allows me to stay grounded. It also helps with becoming more and more creative. It allows me to really become focused, and during meditation I'm able to get into a deeper meditative state. And for those of you who don't have a crystal yet, what I strongly suggest that you do is, if you're going to, purchase a crystal that you're going to wear all the time. And not only this, make sure that your crystal, no one touches this. Okay, that's one thing that's really important, is that it's only your energy that's on this crystal. You shouldn't be passing this around to other individuals, because it could be taking in some of their energy, and therefore it's going to be depleting the efficiency of your crystals. Now let's get into how to cleanse and re-energize your crystal. And make no mistake about it, doing this isn't just going to cleanse and re-energize your crystals. It's going to allow you also to release something, and then put some type of intention when you're re-energizing your crystal. And first and foremost, I just simply use tap water. I just rinse off my crystal in tap water. You can, if you choose to, you can go, let's say, to a lake or river, or if you're near the ocean. But if you have a lot of crystals, it's not viable to actually do this. Therefore, I just simply rinse it off in the faucet, dry it off, and that's it. And now, around 10 o'clock or so, 11 o'clock, just before I go to bed, what I end up doing is I place mine on a window ledge. Okay, you can place it outside, but what's important, if you're able to, place it on a natural surface, whether it's wood, rock, or stone. Place it on a natural surface, and make sure that it's going to get the maximum amount of moonlight during the full moon, because that's how it's really going to be able to let go of all those negative energies, and it's going to be able to re-energize itself. Then what I do, before I place it down on my windowsill, all I do is I just take my crystal, close my eyes, and then I set out something that I'm ready and willing and able to release. So I just verbally, or else just in my head, just simply tell myself I am now ready to release such and such a thing, or such a person. And if you have multiple crystals, it's okay to release more than one thing, but I really strongly suggest no more than 5. Let's be honest, if you're doing this on a regular basis, you most likely haven't cleared off 5 things per month. That's a lot of inner work that needs to be done. But what you can do is you can release the same thing on multiple crystals. And now you let it sit throughout the entire night. And then the first thing in the morning, what's important is the first thing in the morning is take them away from sunlight, because some crystals are going to fade. Some crystals, such as aquamarine, rose quartz, smoky quartz, amethyst, just to name a few, are going to fade if they catch too much sunlight. So now in the morning you pull them back, and now same thing, as you're taking each of them, place them close to your heart and set some type of intention as far as what is it that you want your crystal to help you out with. Just close your eyes for 10-15 seconds, put it close to your heart, and then just think about what is it that you want your crystal to do for you. And that is going to infuse this in the crystal, and it's going to be able to now go until the next full moon. It's going to help you in whichever specific way that you want it to have. And now with this, if you have multiple crystals, now go for it. Name 4 or 5 different things. They can each do something different. But really think about the one that you're wearing. What is it, the one thing that you need the absolute most from that crystal? And then the ones, let's say example, if you have near your angel altar or different rooms in your home, you can pick out different things with these crystals. And then what I end up doing, I just place them on my bed, and I just do a quick 5-minute meditation. Just 5-minute meditation, and just envisioning all these energies being infused into the crystals. And it's that simple. But by doing this, what you're going to be doing is you're constantly going to be clearing off negative energies from your crystal, and you're constantly going to be in charging them, and now putting some type of intention in them. Therefore, it's going to help you. And really look at where you're at, look at where you want to go, look at what blockages you have, and how you're able to move forward, and work with your crystal in order to do so. And for those who have crystals who haven't done the clearing and then the re-energizing it, I am telling you this, you are going to notice a difference. You're going to feel more uplifted if you do this crystal clearing session, if you end up re-energizing them. And for those of you who haven't purchased any yet, I go, this was only like $30 or so. It really is inexpensive, and that's why I suggest you start with purchasing a crystal for yourself, and then you can start expanding your collection. And look at crystals as just another tool. It's the same thing as listening to binaural beats, same thing as listening to guided meditation, same thing as reading material or else watching videos on spirituality. It's just another tool that's going to help advance you on your spiritual path. Well, that's going to do it for the video. You guys have an awesome day. I love you guys. Namaste.